So you guys, after doing it like this is more like a pick and drop. As you can see, this is more like pick and drop. That's doing it halfway. So from there, I'll pick one like this. You see this loop I made, this thing I tied here, that loop, I'm going to remove it because I don't want it to show, or I don't want the hair to be rough after everything. So after removing it, you can see there are 3 strands here. I'll divide one into 2 like this, okay, and then twist. The reason I'm doing that is because I want a smooth transition. Do you get? So yeah, you twist it very tight, okay? This is like watermelon. Twist it very tight. The reason why I'm twisting one is because I want the hair to be really full. I would have twisted like 2, but I want to do it this way because I want the hair to be really full. So you guys, yeah, I'll twist it individually like this, one after the other, until I finish everything. Can you see? So I'm going to do this for everything. I'm going to do it repeatedly for everything, one after the other. Okay? Hi guys, how are you all doing today? Okay, so this is the next day of me making the hair, and after making the hair, I twisted it and dipped it in hot water and left it overnight because I wanted it to, you know, I didn't want to loosen it immediately, so I slept with the hair. So this is the next day, and this is what it looks like right now. You can see it looks twisted, yeah. And you know what, I'm kind of loving this color. You know, I didn't get to mix it like mix the red and the black. I had to make the red one first and then put the black one on it, just because I want it to be suitable for me to wear it to work. I know how I'm going to style it and pack it when I'm going to work, but this is also fun. This is also classic because when I'm going out, you know, just normal outing, I can make the red pop out more and all that. So I actually love the combo. I love it so much. And it is time to unravel the twist, you guys. I already started with one, as you can see, and I'm loving the outcome already. It looks beautiful, and this is my first time of actually making this kind of hair, so I'm excited, you guys. I can't wait to unravel the curls. So what we're going to do now, I'll start unraveling the curls for you to see. Let's start with this. So you take one strand like this, one twist, you start unraveling the curls from underneath here. Don't just go straight up to start loosening the twists, okay? You start unraveling it from underneath, you know, just the way I'm doing. You start unraveling it like this, making neat. So you unravel the curls like this. So if you see me looking towards this area, there's a very big mirror here that I'm looking at. That's why I like sitting here. I like looking at myself in front of the mirror when I'm doing anything like this. So I'm going to unravel the curls like I started, and then come back to show you guys what the final look looks like. Hi guys, so this is the finished look of the hair. How do you see it? I'm feeling myself, you guys. I look so beautiful. Like, I look so beautiful right now. And I'm loving this hair. And this is like, yeah, this is like the very first time I'm making this style, like this hair. I don't know. I just thought about it. I'm like, you know what? I want something different. So I think I kind of love this. I love the I love the color combo. I love everything about this hair, and it suits me so well. Like, I know. I know, you guys. I know it suits me so well. Oh my god, I'm gushing over my looks right now. Like, I feel like eating myself. Like, I'm looking so yummy. This is yummy, you guys. This is yummy. Oh my god. So yeah, this is what the finished look. This is what it looks like right now. So don't forget to cut the tips. You know, after everything there will be a little rough edges at the tips. Don't forget to cut your tips, and then, you know, spray some, this is for the curls, this is for it to last longer, to keep the curls in place, you know. So don't worry about my whites. I know I can always wash it, but let me do justice to this hair. So this is to keep the curls in place. And also don't forget your spray, your hairspray, okay? This is beautiful, you guys. Okay, so let's do this. So let me show you the back. So you guys, we have come to the end of we have come to the end of this video, and I want to tell you thank you so much for watching. I love you. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, this is Jennifer Chris, and you're welcome to my channel. Okay, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. Okay, thank you so much. to my returning subscribers, I love you all. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.